Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2027 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. With an estimated global price starting at approximately $350,000, this machine is the pinnacle of British engineering. The premium exterior design commands attention with its iconic hexagonal grille and a striking ultra-light carbon fiber clamshell bonnet. Every line serves a purpose, from the aggressive front splitter to the fixed carbon fiber Aeroblade 11, creating a masterpiece of aerodynamic styling that keeps the car glued to the tarmac. Step inside, and you are enveloped in pure interior luxury featuring hand-stitched leather and Alcantara surfaces. The seating comfort is unparalleled, offering supportive, customizable thrones for both driver and passenger, while the dashboard layout is a flawless blend of tactile physical switches and modern digital interfaces. Dominating the cabin is a state-of-the-art infotainment system centered around a 10.3-inch touchscreen with seamless wireless smartphone integration and a crystal-clear 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Underneath the sculpted hood, the engine performance remains legendary, with a 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V12 producing an estimated 770 horsepower and a massive 900 Nm of torque. The speed and acceleration feel is visceral, propelling you from 0 to 100 km/h in a staggering 3.4 seconds toward a top speed of 340 km/h. Despite this raw power, driving comfort is never compromised thanks to the adaptive dynamic suspension that smooths out every road surface. Safety features are comprehensive, including a full suite of driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree surround view camera. While its fuel efficiency reflects its high-performance nature, with an estimated 17 combined mpg, the overall driving experience is transformative. Whether you are carving through tight city streets, cruising at high speeds on international highways, or conquering long-distance travel routes across continents, the DBS Superleggera remains the ultimate grand tourer for the modern era. It is a car that doesn't just transport you. It moves your soul with every roar of its V12 engine. From the sun-drenched coastal roads of Europe to the wide-open American interstates, this Aston Martin proves that true power is timeless. The 2027 model year pushes these boundaries further, ensuring that the legacy of the Superleggera name remains untarnished by the passage of time. This is more than a vehicle. It is a statement of intent, a blend of brute force and delicate refinement that few other manufacturers can ever hope to emulate. As we look toward the future of the automotive world, the DBS Superleggera stands as a defiant, glorious celebration of the internal combustion engine at its absolute peak. Experience the rush of the wind and the surge of power as you take the wheel of this British icon, a car designed for those who demand nothing less than perfection in every mile. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of automotive excellence. Stay tuned to Throttle Vortex for the latest in high-performance luxury and the machines that define our generation. We will see you in the next one as we continue to explore the very best that the world of speed has to offer.